Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I come up with one more shortcut related to MSET. Let's see the question. What the question says? The question says if x plus iy is equal to 1 plus I to the power of 6 minus or 1 minus I to the power of 6, then which one of the following is true? He has given 4 equations. Okay. Now, in order to solve this problem, we have one shortcut present in MSET. This is basically an MSET question. We have one shortcut to solve this problem. What the shortcut is? Cos theta plus I sin theta to the power of n is nothing but cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So here from the equation I am taking 1 plus I. Okay, so here 1 plus I. This 1 plus I can write as root 2 divided by root 2. That is 1 plus I. So root 2 into this denominator root will go inside and it will multiply. So I'll be getting root 2 into 1 by root 2 plus I by root 2. That is nothing but cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. Okay, so I'll be getting 1 plus I value as root 2 into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. If I am taking this if to the power of 6, so I'll be getting root 2 I can write as 2 to the power of 1 by 2. So I'll be getting cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 whole to the power of 6. That is nothing but 2 to the power of 6 by 2 into cos 6 pi by 4 plus I sin 6 pi by 4. So I am getting answer as 8 into cos 6 pi by 4 plus I sin 6 pi by 4. That is nothing but, we know pi by 4, 6 pi by 4 is nothing but 0 and sin 6 pi by 4 is nothing but minus 1. So I am getting answer as 1 plus I to the power of 6. I am getting as minus 8I. Okay, similarly I will be finding for 1 minus I. So let's see how I am finding. When I am finding 1 minus I, I am getting root 2 by root 2. That is root 2 by root 2 into 1 minus I. That is nothing but root 2 into 1 by root 2 minus I by root 2. That is nothing but root 2 into cos pi by 4 minus I sin pi by 4. So upon solving that, I am getting here plus I. That is the difference here. So 1 plus I to the power of 6 is nothing but 8I. So similarly, I am getting both of this value. I am adding both of this value. When I am adding both of this value, I am getting the answer. Okay, so I am getting minus 8I minus 8I. That is nothing but minus 16I. So x plus iy is nothing but minus 16I. So this will be my answer. Okay, so what I am doing is I am comparing both left hand side and right hand side. Upon comparing both left hand side and right hand side, I am getting x value as 0 and y value as 16. So he is saying the answer is x plus y is equal to 0 minus 16. That is nothing but minus 16. So option B will be the answer to this problem. Hope you understand this video. If you understand this video and if you want me to make some more video of this kind, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel with a family, friend and colleague. And don't forget to press the notification button and bell icon button. Thank you.